Robotic Materials Incorporated has developed a novel in-gripper sensing solution that provides proximity, contact, and force. The sensors can be installed in less than 15 minutes and are fully integrated in the Universal Robots programming environment. Each gripper pad is equipped with multiple sensors in the palm and the tip, allowing the robot to detect objects from afar, detect contact with an object, and finally, measuring force. In some applications, in-hand sensing can replace conventional 2D and 3D vision systems, in particular when the approximate location of objects is known, such as in semi-structured industrial and household automation tasks. In this example, the positions of the plates are clearly discernible in the raw sensor data and can be used for manipulation. In other applications, tactile sensing can augment the information gathered from 3D vision systems. Here, point cloud information can inform about the rough location of an object, which can then be registered using tactile information.